Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. Let me ask you a question. Can you speak English right now? Yes, right now. Not in an exam, not in a classroom, but right now. Can you answer a simple question in English out loud? If your answer is no, or maybe not confidently, then this episode is for you. Today, I will teach you one of the easiest and most powerful daily habits to improve your English speaking fluency. No teacher, no grammar books, no pressure, just you, one question, and your voice. This habit is called the question of the day. If you practice it every single day, your English will start flowing naturally. In this video, I'll explain how this habit works, why it is so powerful, and then we'll practice together step by step. So, let's begin. Alright, the question of the day habit is very simple. Every day, you choose one easy question. Then, you ask yourself that question in English and answer it out loud. That's it. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a speaking partner. You only need your voice and a few minutes every day. And don't worry, we are going to practice together right now. When you do this daily, something amazing happens. Your brain slowly starts thinking in English. You feel more confident. You speak faster. You make fewer mistakes. And most importantly, you sound more natural. This is a very small habit, but the results can completely change your English speaking skills. Now let me explain why this works so well. First, you practice thinking in English. Second, you learn how to build real sentences naturally. Third, you become comfortable hearing your own English voice. And fourth, you can practice anytime, anywhere without depending on anyone else. Remember this. Speaking fluently does not mean knowing every grammar rule. It means being able to speak without fear and without panic. Every time you answer a question in English, you train your brain to speak more naturally. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Now let me show you the simple steps. Step 1. Choose a simple question. Pick something easy about your daily life. Step 2. Say the question out loud. Don't just think it in your head. Speak it. Step 3. Answer the question in full sentences. Use simple words you already know. And step 4. Repeat your answer. Try to improve it a little, add more details, fix small mistakes, speak again with more confidence. That's all. This habit only takes 5 to 10 minutes every day, but it is extremely powerful. Now, let's practice together. Here's the first question. What did you eat for breakfast? Say it with me. What did you eat for breakfast? Good. Now listen to my answer. I ate eggs and toast for breakfast. Now you repeat. I ate eggs and toast for breakfast. Very good. I also drank a cup of tea. Repeat after me. I also drank a cup of tea. Excellent. Now let me make the answer longer. This morning I had 2 eggs, butter toast, and a hot cup of tea. See? I added more details. Now it's your turn. What did you eat for breakfast? Say your answer out loud. Take 10 seconds. Great job. You just spoke English naturally. Now let's try another question. What are you doing today? Say it with me. What are you doing today? Perfect. Here's my answer. Today, I'm recording this video. After that, I will go for a walk, and later, I'll cook lunch. Now repeat. Today, I'm recording this video. After that, I will go for a walk, and later, I'll cook lunch. Very nice. Now your turn. What are you doing today? Take 20 seconds and answer out loud. Excellent. You can say things like, today, I'm going to work. I have an online class today. I want to relax and watch movies. I'm studying English today. Very good. Now, let's do another one. How are you feeling today? Say it with me. How are you feeling today? Great. Here's my answer. I'm feeling good today because I slept well. Repeat after me. I'm feeling good today because I slept well. Excellent. I'm excited to make this video for you. Repeat. I'm excited to make this video for you. Perfect. Now your turn. How are you feeling today? Speak slowly and honestly. Take 20 seconds. Well done. You can say, I'm feeling tired. I'm very happy today. I feel nervous about my exam. Or, I feel relaxed today. That's amazing. Now, let's continue. What do you do on weekends? Say it slowly with me. What do you do on weekends? Good. Here's my simple answer. I relax. That's okay, but let's make it better. On weekends, I usually relax, watch movies, and cook food. Better, right? Now, let's make it even stronger. On Saturdays, I like to stay home and watch English movies. On Sundays, I visit my friends and clean my room. See how we slowly build longer answers? We start with one word, and then add more details, step by step. Now your turn. What do you do on weekends? Take 20 seconds to answer. Excellent. Now try adding more details. Maybe you visit family. Maybe you play games. Maybe you study English. Maybe you go for a walk. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Now, let's do one final question together. What is your favorite place? Say it with me. What is your favorite place? Great. Here's my answer. My favorite place is the beach. Now, let's improve it. My favorite place is the beach because I love the sound of the waves and the fresh air. And now, a longer answer. My favorite place is a quiet beach near my city. I like to walk there in the evening and listen to music. It makes me feel calm and peaceful. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite place? Take 20 seconds and answer. Fantastic. Maybe your favorite place is your bedroom. Maybe it's the library. Maybe it's a park or your village. Speak again and try adding more feelings and details. Great job. Now, let me give you a few important tips to make this habit even better. Tip number 1. Keep a notebook of daily questions. Write one question every day. For example, what is your favorite food? What time do you wake up? What did you do yesterday? What's the weather like today? What is one thing you want to learn? Tip number 2. Repeat your answers 2 or 3 times. The first time is practice. The second time is improvement. The third time builds confidence. Tip number 3. Record yourself. Use your phone and record your answers. Then listen to yourself the next day. You will notice your progress little by little. All right, now I'll ask you 10 questions. Pause the video if you need more time and answer each question out loud. What time did you wake up today? What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you want to do this weekend? Who is your favorite person in your family? What kind of music do you like? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Why? What did you do yesterday evening? What is one thing you are good at? What's the weather like today? What are you learning right now? Amazing. You just answered 10 questions in English. That is how fluency begins. Remember, this question of the day habit may seem small, but it can completely transform your speaking skills. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need expensive classes. You only need 5 to 10 minutes every day and the courage to use your voice. One question, one answer, one small step forward every day. Practice this habit for 30 days and you will feel a huge difference in your confidence and speaking ability. Thank you so much for watching Learn and Success. I'm Jahid, and I'm proud of you for practicing your English today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. Bye for now.